It is snowing. It is actually, let me be careful.
End of the world. It is snowing in Houston, Texas. This is outrageous.
Houston, Texas, USA, January 21st, 2025.
Ooh, man. It is really snowing out here. Ooh, it
Snows on a regular basis. It's cold there. It is Houston, Texas.
The Houston area is experiencing winter weather this week with snow, ice, and sleet. We saw slick road conditions on major roads Tuesday morning. With lows in the teens expected Wednesday, roads could freeze again, creating dangerous driving conditions.
If the grandkids were here right now, they'd had a blast.
Everywhere is absolutely covered with snow.
Everybody in Belize enjoying what, 87 degrees, and we're here.
Look at this. This is absolutely
freezing. It's not that bad.
Temperatures will peak in the 30s to 40s this afternoon, which will determine how much snow melts. But with overnight lows dropping into the teens and 20s, another freeze is possible, leading to ice Wednesday morning. Energy providers are closely monitoring the winter weather this week for possible power outages for customers in southeast Texas.
This reminds me of London. You can see.
Mr. Brown, we're having a field day right now. Mr. Brown, where you at, Mr. Brown? Hope he doesn't snow angel this year.
Absolutely beautiful. Let me.
Man, just look at all the snow. See the snow falling.
Thick layers of snow. It is absolutely chilling and beautiful.
Centerpoint said it has 1,200 mutual aid crews from other states ready to help. It has also activated an emergency operations center with additional staff to handle calls from customers. Entergy Texas, which serves more than 500,000 customers in 27 counties, said it is also prepared. That includes customers in the Woodlands, Conroe, Willis and Kingwood.
15 years ago when it snowed like this. Oh, he got his dogs out. Let me go a little.
It looks beautiful though. Everywhere is covered.
This is Nikki Stacy reporting from Houston, Texas.
Wet. And baby, it is.
Not even the cars are spared. I wonder where all this.
The hottest place on the planet. I was born in Bellingham, Washington, where it's
Houston's two major airports, George Bush Intercontinental Airport and Hobby Airport, suspended flight operations at midnight. More than 1,800 flights were canceled in the U.S., with nearly 400 delayed, as of Tuesday morning, according to flight tracking platform FlightAware.
this January 21st, 2025. It is the
Snowing.
Why is it actually snow?